So you're a freelancer now, and you might be wondering, where the heck do I get clients? In today's video, we'll take a closer look at finding clients using online job sites. And be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'll tell you how to get my step-by-step discovery call agenda, which will help you close all those clients you'll be meeting online. Golden here with a new episode of Free Mama TV, showing moms like you how to start and run a successful freelancing business from home. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new episode of Free Mama TV right here every Tuesday. One of the most common questions I get asked from freelancers is, where the heck can I find clients? Now, we've talked plenty about networking in person and my personal favorite way to get clients, through social media. But today we're going to talk about acquiring new clients through online job sites. The truth is there are some definite pros to using online job sites. Number one, these are hot leads. They wouldn't be posting a job if they didn't need help. Number two, it's convenient. All those opportunities are gathered together in one spot for you to review. Number three, it's fairly inexpensive or even free to find a gig depending on the site you use. And number four, the jobs are available and accessible wherever you are as long as you have an internet connection to access the site. You don't have to wait around for a specific date or time, get all dressed up, or anything else. But there are some downsides too. For example, job sites have the potential to suck up a lot of your time. You could spend hours scrolling, and that's time you aren't spending making real connections. There's also a fair amount of competition out there because you're not the only one who's figured out the convenience of these sites. Sadly, job sites are often targeted by scammers who will try their best to separate you from your hard-earned cash. And finally, you may wind up paying a significant amount of that money in third-party fees. But let's go ahead and dig in on using online job sites to find freelance clients. Now, on most job sites, you'll need to create a profile. So let's talk about how to make yours stand out in the crowd. First of all, make sure you complete your profile to the last step. Don't leave any sections blank. Yes, it takes a few more minutes to put a bow on it, but that's what differentiates you from everyone else out there. And yes, mama, that means you need to have a picture on your profile. It's super awkward when someone wants to connect with me and I can't see who they are. It makes me wonder, what exactly are you hiding? Think about it. Do you accept connection requests from people without profile photos? No, seriously, I want to know. Tell me in the comments below. Now, you don't need to spend a fortune on professional headshots, but you should make sure your photo shows your face and that you've made a little bit of an effort. No messy buns, no toddler in your arms, no stains on your shirt. Also, make sure you're using relevant keywords in your title and throughout your portfolio. Focus on the results you deliver for people, not the fact that you know how to use Microsoft Office. Next, be sure to niche down and pick a lane and drive in it. Be super specific about the thing you do. Don't try to appeal to everyone in the world. Focus on being the perfect person for your ideal client. For example, if I'm looking for a graphic designer, I'm going to skip right past your profile if it's titled Writing, Bookkeeping, Cake Baking, and Graphic Design. On the other hand, if your title is Graphic Design for Online Course Creators, that's going to speak directly to me. Talk to me, mama. Be clear and concise about why you're the perfect person for me. Don't fill your profile with fluff unless you want people to scroll on by. Also, you have to toot your own horn. That's exactly what your profile is for. Clients want someone awesome who gets results for people. So be sure to showcase the incredible work you've done for clients and keep the focus on the outcome. Now, when you find a job that looks interesting or get an inquiry from a potential client, it's time to send a proposal. Here are a few tips to make sure yours stands out in a good way. First, read the entire posting thoroughly and then read it again. Follow the directions and any special instructions exactly. A lot of clients will completely ignore you if you ignore their instructions. And can you really blame them? Next, be sure to pay attention to what the client wants and focus your proposal on their needs and goals, not yours. It's not about how passionate you are about data entry. It's about how they can serve more clients with the time you free up. Need help determining customer needs and wants? I've got a video that you can check out. Then showcase the work you've done that is proof of what you can do for them. Don't just send a generic link to a portfolio. Call out the specific results you've delivered for others and how you can help this client get what she wants to. And finally, once you've put in the time to craft a great proposal, take an extra few minutes to turn it into a template. That will save you loads of time in the future. You won't have to reinvent the wheel every time you want to reach out to a potential client on a job site. So which job sites can you check out, Mama? Well, for starters, there's Momentum Marketplace. I'm a big fan of this amazing site run by moms for moms, and you can find my affiliate link below. And fun fact, all free mama graduates get some serious special treatment on this platform, like higher listings and a special badge. You can also check out bark.com. You'll pay upfront for leads, but then the money you earn from the job is all yours with no commission costs. There's also UPWORK, where you'll pay to connect with potential clients and pay a percentage of your earnings to the site. But UPWORK does have protections in place for freelancers. And of course, don't forget about LinkedIn, which is a professional networking site where people are already hanging out. Employers pay to post jobs, so they're definitely serious, and it doesn't cost you a thing to apply. You can find links for all of these sites listed just below this video. So no excuses, Mama. You've got a list of online job sites plus all the information you need to stand out and win the work. All you need now is a blueprint for what to say on your next discovery call. And you can find a link to my discovery call cheat sheet below this video. Also, if you want to join a community of mamas just like you, I have a Facebook group where thousands of mamas come together for support and action-taking tips and motivation. As always, if you liked this video, please let me know by liking it below. Subscribe and share it with your fellow mamas, and comment below with hashtag I am a free mama if you are ready to find your next freelancing client on a job site. Hello, we're back. Okay. Okie doke. Okay. Oh, sorry. Dang it. Sorry. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing, which is why I'm doing YouTube videos. All right. Look. Nope. Moms like you. How many times do I read this? I feel like I do the same things over and over. Not a picture of your dog. Also, oh God, I'm joking. One moment. Every time I mess up, I know you're going to put it in bloopers.